We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up SEDG. We are on the 12-month time frame. Price action last candle to the right-hand side is a bullish green doji. So the market is indecisive. Not sure if it's going to go up or down. The last, second, third, the last candles in the market, all dojis in the market. We've got bearish red candles. So we have to see what's happening with the market. So current price is sitting at 308.26. So if price push up, we are looking for price to tag that highest red and green above price, the left-hand side, which will be near the numbers of 320. So I can lead that to that level before breaking out. If price pushes up further, it can top off and break and retest the top of that price action candle wick near the numbers of 345.00. If price works its way up further, it may not tag the highest wick of that third last candle right away. It most likely will tag the second last candle. So we're going to put a SR line near 377.06. And this is where we're looking for the break and retest for that market to blast off and shoot up further. Unless we keep receiving these consolidation doji style candles, unless that market is identifying multiple pushes to that top and that market drops down. So the market comes down from price. Where is it headed? So it's headed down to the next area, support red and green, which would be grabbing that fourth to last candle within that second and third last candle bodies, nearing the numbers of 280.87. If price pushes down further, let's go up to our, so it's two areas you can grab. You can either grab the price second, third, fourth last candle midpoint of that wick, which still kind of lines up near the numbers of, I was going to say near, if you grab the third to last candle wick towards that bottom. So midpoint, third last candle wick near the same areas. And that will be landing at the price of 207.90. And also let's add a midpoint within that area for price to reach before it reaches 207, nearing the numbers at 243.28. If it drops down, everything that's within the top half of the fourth to last candle is considered consolidation. So we're looking for a breakout to the top side, or that market can continue to consolidate sideways unless we receive a drop in the market. So let's read the market. Let's take a look at what is it saying currently. So it's taking a look at what happened below second last candle. We receive a red candle. So think about the market coming down for that first leg, pushing up for the second, coming back to retest with the fourth to last candle, and finally blasting off with the fifth and sixth to last candle to the high of that highest high of structure. And then the market consolidated. So we do know that, as we talked about before, we are in consolidation. If that market does push up, then we're looking for that market to respect the areas of the support of the bodies, or maybe near the wicks. And if that market works its way up, it'll identify as pushing up in green with the fourth to last candle market. So market came back to retest for that first leg and pushed up with the price action for the second leg. And also that price action is a doji, so it retests. So it can be identifying as it retests in that market for that market to push up for that W, or it may just be identifying as a single bottom and market may be pushing up, but will identify as we walk down the time frame. If the market pushes down, it's running to the area of resistance. So either you grabbing the bodies or near the touches of the wicks. And if so, market will identify with the fourth to last candle pushing up for that first leg. Second and third to last candle will consider the second leg. Price action is the third leg, and we're going to see if it's going to follow with a bearish red candle, drop that market down, and create that double top formation. So as I said before, we are in with side by side within the last few candles in the market. So we are in that consolidation waiting for that breakout. Walking down to the 6-month time frame. So price action 6-month time frame, read it as a bullish green candle. Price action on the 6-month time frame is a bullish green doji, second last candle doji, huge doji. So this is just still reading as that market is overall consolidating, because that market came back to retest with the price second, third, fourth, fifth to last candle and third to last candle. That market identifying a pattern, and we can see price in second, or at least the price action has pushed off that area. So with the two touches towards that low, and that market did push up with this huge green candle, came down in red for that first leg. Let's try it again. First leg, second leg, third leg, and market's trying to push up for that W. So it's reading as a W in that area, but the only thing is we don't see a price action body above this previous size. So we want to see price action at least break above the previous SR numbers, nearing the numbers of 320.07. So we want to see a body starting off in that area. Now, we can be waiting for this candle to push up further, the following candle. Walking down to the 3-month time frame, so price action 3-month time frame. So remember, these all doji style candles, all consolidation, even though they look a little more solid. You can see all these wicks up to the top and to the bottom. Price action on the 3-month time frame is reading as a bullish green candle, spike down to a low, still doji style candle. So it's a weak candle inside the second last candle. So that market did create some support at a few areas, even the price in second. So if that market is respected, it can read as a pattern for that left shoulder, that head, and we have a right shoulder. Market can blast off of that. We can read as a triple bottom or a double bottom and a retest nearing price action. Working our way to the monthly time frame. Still overall, we do know that everything within this area is still consolidation. Okay, looking at price action, last candle into the market, and the market will be a bearish red candle spike down to the low, doji style, dragonfly I think it's called to be exact. Still doji style, dragonfly, all weak candles. Doji cross, still a weak candle, just showing a line, not too much of a body. Inside the second, inside the third, inside the fourth, inside the fifth. So market still consolidating. Now this market could be reading as some support. If so, we did talk about that pushing up. But let's say if it's reading as resistance, that means this will be the final touch for that market to push down. It can push up again. But so if so, highest red and green to the high. So that market did spike up. Identify the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, get the engulfment towards price second, third, fourth, fifth, the last candle, which we break in the SR line nearing the numbers of not 280.87, and market can drop down and identify as a double top and a retest or a overall triple top. Working our way to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, price action is reading as a bullish green candle. Remember, overall still reading as this being an overall consolidation, but it's trying to figure out what the market is reading currently near price. Is in a range of an overall midpoint, and we can see we have some areas respected here, and we have low red and green, low red and green. So with this area here is identifying the overall first, second, third, fourth. Okay, we have a double bottom, and now we are at the double retest for the first, second, third. Oh, let's rewind that. That's actually not a double retest, that's a triple retest. So it's first, second, third, fourth retest, and we're going to see a price action engulf the second last candle to push up. So altogether, triple bottom or a double bottom and a retest. But still overall consolidation. Working our way to the daily time frame, price action, daily time frame reading as a bullish green candle. Still reading exactly what we see on the other side. Still looking for the engulfment towards the previous side. So if we look for the engulfment to at least 306.00, see that market's gonna push up further unless it's rejected and drops down, and it drops down further. It'll identify as a overall first, second, third, fourth retest. Market's coming down from a double top and retest, or a triple top, and if it pushes up, you see the first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, second push overall, triple bottom, a double bottom, and a retest. Very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, break down retest strategy, click on images, SEDG, stock.